always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Well, what a day today, right? 66 is the current temperature. We only managed the mid-70s. It hasn't been this cool for a high since back in Valentine's Day. And our record highs, forget that. We weren't even normal today. Temperatures should be in the low 80s. So, we'll take it as we've been just incredibly warm so far this year. There it is, that good stat there from back February 14th. Next radar network is quiet. We are done with the rain. I showed you that clearing line, but boy, earlier today, look at this just wall of water that came through. Now, these were mid-level clouds, mid-level moisture, and so what that means is that the accumulation really wasn't that much. It's not the kind of rain that we get in the summer. All of a sudden, you get 1-2 inches on the ground, you get advisories, but it was enough, I think, to wet our lawns, which have been quite dry. In fact, Southeast Florida is the one spot that is not under a drought, but it doesn't take long without rain to get ourselves into a bit of trouble once again. So that was nice to get today, and we got more rain on the way. It's just going to happen on the weekend. I'll get out of the way so you can pick your neighborhood here. Look at these temperatures for tonight. Upper 50s, around 60 degrees, low to mid 60s right along the coast. And those typical cooler spots are going to be just that, 58 Kendall, upper 50s as we continue the bike down through Country Walk. And then the Keys will be a little bit milder there, certainly with the wind off the water, with temperatures right around 69 degrees. We'll take it. And then tomorrow, the temperatures will be the same. We'll be in the 70s. It's just we won't have the cloud cover. We won't have the rainfall. So a pick of the week, if maybe you have a little PTO that you want to take tomorrow, go do it, because it is going to be gorgeous. Warmer than on Friday as the winds begin to pick up, and they'll do that ahead of the frontal boundary that we have to talk about for the weekend. I'll run this through the next 3 days. You'll be able to see not much is going on, but notice the clouds now beginning to filter in south to north. That's the wind direction change ahead of that front that's going to be bringing us showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, which I still think is the pick of the weekend. It will be manageable. There will be some rain, there will be some thunderstorms, but it will be the type that we get during the summer, so we can enjoy half the day, and then we'll get some downpours through the afternoon. This is the issue here. The front is not going to make a clean pass. It's going to hang out, and that is going to set us up for not just rain on Sunday, but I think it will continue as we head into early next week. The important part, of course, the weekend, and I think Sunday is just not looking good for rainfall here, and I'll show you in the 7-day forecast. We'll go from 70s back to 80s. There's that 40% chance of afternoon showers and storms, and then more of an all-day situation there for us on a Sunday, and that unsettled pattern, that rainy pattern, continues into early next week.